Sovereign AI for the enterprise is about where physically your AI workload runs and how you source your intelligence supply. If you treat frontier intelligence as just another software subscription, you're misunderstanding the asset class. Intelligence is an industrial raw material. Tokens are fuel, they're consumed, burned, and replenished. And just like any industrial supply chain, where you source that fuel matters as much as what you pay for it. Three structural forces may dictate sovereign AI for the enterprise. And the first is data residency. Between GDPR in Europe, APPI in Japan, and strict localization rules emerging across the Middle East and Asia, a global enterprise cannot freely move customer data, employee records, or IP across the oceans to be processed. The model has to come to the data, which essentially means that you need compute infrastructure inside every regulatory perimeter. The second is latency. A model sitting in Texas answering a query from Frankfurt is fine for a consumer chatbot, but it's completely unviable for autonomous AI agents to execute split-second, let's say, financial trades, medical or control medical diagnostics, or manage automated manufacturing, or even something like FSD. That level of autonomy forces the deployment of compute locally as close to the endpoint as possible. And the third is vendor concentration. Right now, five American companies, control roughly 67% of the world's AI compute capacity. If an enterprise builds its entire AI architecture on a single hyperscaler stack, it inherits massive concentration risk. So sovereign AI for the enterprise is the structural response to these three forces. It means the end of cloud monogamy. It requires building a multi-cloud, multi-region compute footprint so workloads run closer to the data and to the user. And it requires the deployment of on-prem or private GPU pools for highly sensitive, regulated operation. And it also means building infrastructure partnerships with specialized AI neoclouds to guarantee compute access and optionality.